Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on the keyboard clicks sound on your iPad, or how to turn off because it's the same button. So just go to your settings, and here at the sounds menu here you will see in the menu, if you scroll down, the last two options, keyboard clicks. So if you turn this on, then you will have the keyboard click sound effect, or if you turn it off, then you won't have it. So that's it for this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing for more tips. That would be really helpful for me, and see you in the next one. Bye.